So guys, yesterday we spoke about types of lists in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We spoke that there are multiple types of lists and we understood them with different scenarios. We already had understood about normal subscribers list and then all subscribers list and subscriber properties. Then yesterday we encounter some interview scenarios where an interview can ask plenty of scenario based questions, like how to manage the preferences of a particular subscriber. So for that we came across a type of list in Salesforce Marketing Cloud which is known as publication list. Publication list is a kind of list in Salesforce Marketing Cloud which manages opt outs. Whenever you send a user initiated send to a customer, by default the highest level of publication selected is all subscribers list. But when a subscriber unsubscribes, he or she gets unsubscribed to all subscribers list. And we discussed if it is a good thing or a bad thing. Good thing in terms of you don't have to manually remove that subscriber from your data extension or a list. System automatically takes care. System automatically looks for its subscription status. Whether it is unsubscribed, it automatically blocks that particular subscriber to receive any future email. But equally it is a bad thing, because when you are providing consulting to a multinational company having plenty of brands, or you can say business units can be distributed brand wise as well as they can be distributed region wise, or it can be both. We understood with an example of Tata, which is a multinational company and has multiple brands like Tanishq. We spoke about Tata Motors. So now Tata has to give preference to their customers which kind of communication they would like to receive and which communication they don't want to receive. And that is a case where they want these subscribers to be subscribed to their only preferred lists and unsubscribe to those lists which they don't want to receive. So we understood the concept of publication list. When we create publication list and use that publication list while we send communication to a particular subscriber, he has option to opt out from a particular publication of his choice and have him subscribe to other publications. Like we understood with two different examples, there are two person, one male and one female. Female are generally fond of jewelries, but male are generally fond of vehicles. So we understood with two different brands of Tata where we had Tanishq and Tata Motors. As of now, both people were getting all kind of Tata emailers. The female was getting Tanishq emailers where she was getting updated on latest fashion they have developed for gold or diamond ornaments, as well as she was getting communications on Tata Motors as well. One day she thought that I don't want to receive communications from Tata Motors. There might be plenty of reasons. She don't like to buy any motor she is not fond of, or she already owns a car, and that communication is waste for us, just piling up her inbox. So she went to manage subscription inside the email footer. We understood how to put manage subscription option inside the email footer, and she opted out from the Tata Motors publication list, and she was still opted in for Tanishq communications. Next time when we sent email to that person, she only received Tanishq communication and she did not receive Tata Motors communication. And she is still subscribed in all subscribers. Having somebody unsubscribed for such a big brand or a multinational company from all subscriber is a dangerous thing, because that multinational might put another product in future, might develop any other brand in future. So you are making that subscriber unsubscribed lifelong from a particular company's communication. A company spends a lot of money to acquire a subscriber. You by default do not go and you know create your subscription inside their system. They have to run ads. They promote at various events, like you see Tata Motors are promoting in IPL live telecast. They were promoting in World Cup. So huge chunk of money they are paying to acquire customers within their system, because the Salesforce Marketing Cloud will get leads from digital advertising in general. Digital advertising is very cost intensive. So if somebody has come and unsubscribed and we cannot communicate him lifelong, that is a very dangerous loss for a company. That is why publication lists plays a vital role while we manage subscriptions. So you will definitely get an interview question where they will ask you how you can manage preferences for a customer. The answer is publication list, and if you can elaborate with examples, that person would be super satisfied. Now, there can be some scenarios where a customer has not unsubscribed, but still he has some complaints for you. For example, there will be customers who are always dissatisfied from a particular company, but they are not unsubscribing to the email communications or any type of communications they might receive in future. They just directly call and threaten the desk office of a particular company to not communicate them. It is often with you as well, that you might be getting plenty of phone calls, you might be getting plenty of WhatsApp messages, you might be getting plenty of emails, but you have not unsubscribed to those communications. On phone call, you threaten that particular person, do not call me, I should not receive any message from you henceforth. But you have not unsubscribed. We don't have to touch the system has to run automatically. Though we can go and manually update the subscriber status to unsubscribe in all subscribers, but that is not a compliance we have to follow. Neither we can make somebody subscribe or unsubscribe. So in such scenarios, you have to be careful to send communications avoiding that particular person who is dissatisfied with your services to receive any. In that case, what is the possible option? The possible option we have is suppression list. What is a suppression list? It is a do not contact list. People present in suppression list will not receive communications if they are used at the time of send. These subscribers are often subscribed subscribers but are not utilized to contact due to XYZ reasons. Plenty of reasons might be there. I am just speaking one common reason. So you have a big data extension, you have plenty of lists. It will be hard to find where all one subscriber is existing. So you cannot go and manually delete those subscribers from millions of records present within multiple different data extensions. So what is the best use case to suppress this person from each and every send? To suppress this person from each and every send, we can use suppression lists. So suppression lists we will create and we will import few subscribers which we do not wish to contact. So suppression lists are created from subscribers drop down, and we can go to suppression list option. And let me identify what all audience we have inside the data extension, so that we copy one of the subscriber and suppress them. So suppose this is the subscriber who has manually raised disagreements, complaints on the phone of your sales representative of a company. That sales representative have reported the marketing team to not contact this person anyhow. He or she is threatening to log a case against your company or XYZ reason. The subscriber is totally dissatisfied with the company, and it is a normal thing. When you run business, plenty will be satisfied, plenty will be dissatisfied.